I'd like you to tell me who ordered the removal of the CCTV at the toll gate, who ordered the turning on of the lights at the toll gate the night the incident happened.
Thank you very much. And we'll just speak straight the truth, what happened. Nobody ordered. There were security of LCC on the ground because I had called the managing director of LCC that night when I saw the picture. And what he said to me is that because of the curfew that has been announced, they took a decision and to say they will take out installations that are critical to them. That camera that you saw, it's not a security camera. That camera that you saw, it's not a motion camera. It's a laser camera for vehicles. When you are approaching the toll plaza, you will remember that there's a camera that is at the level of your car. What that camera does, it picks the tag on your car and it picks your number plate. That's where you get the boom before you approach when you're on the fast track lane, and you get the boom up so that you can pass. That is what that camera does. It's not a security camera. It's not a camera for human beings or something. It's an infrared camera that just picks the tag on the vehicles. And that's the truth. Security cameras for the local toll plaza are still available. These are some of the footage that we're going to use for our own investigation. Security cameras are installed on top of towers, and they are there because I have seen them, and they are live. They are still recorded. Nobody can touch the security camera. That's why they are called security. The camera that they pulled off, it was a decision that the local security company, the local person pulled off. It was a decision that the local security company, the local personnel of LCC took in conjunction with their managing director and said that because we're not going to be here, because it's a curfew from tomorrow or from tonight, these are cameras that are low levels when you are driving approach, especially on the left and on the far right-hand side. When you're driving, those are the cameras that you see close to your car, right, that picks the infrared, the tag, infrared on your vehicles. And anybody can come, and these are things that we can transparently leave open for citizens to come and verify when the panel of inquiry starts. We'll drop this as evidence, as it were, so that experts can review and see what kind of cameras are these cameras that were shown at the footage. And I think that is the honest and the truthful position of that. I don't have anything. I mean, the managing of LCC does not even have a reportage line to me. I don't talk to him. He doesn't talk to me.
This is leg, right? This one survived. Other people they'll be shot and killed. Okay, look, if anybody can assist us, if you live close to Lekki Gates, please, I don't know, maybe a group can come if you can help. Please be your brother's keeper. They need to remove this bullet from this boy's leg so that they don't cut this boy's leg so that it doesn't get infected, please. So I'm